Mommy and Daddy and Atis will go outside. But you stay here. Be a good boy, okay? Yeah. We'll see you later when we come home. Good boy. Good boy. It's Easter Monday. Nandito kami sa labas ngayon. We are having some coffee and mag-order lang si Daddy. Nini! Okay, Mama won't move. Okay. Is that better? Is that better? What do you say to Mama?
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
This coffee.
Wow.
You want a matcha latte?
They look, huh?
And coffee.
Gosh. Just get me the normal one, Bob, please.
Huh?
Normal one, hot chocolate. Thank you. I'll share with the girls.
Iced coffee.
No, I shop.
So we're taking the girls for exercise the park. We'll have some drinks first before we go.
Want my chocolate?
Daddy, Daddy. What did you say, Daddy? Daddy, what did you say?
Shall I get one white and one dark? I mean, one white and one milk.
I want one dark. I mean one light.
There you go, madam. Dinala nila kami nito. Hindi naman kami kakain kasi kumain kami sa bahay eh. Drinks lang yung bibilhin namin dito. So kasi nga Easter Monday, wala pang work sa Denmark. Bukas na siya babalik ng work. At itong isa, naka-school holidays. So the next 2 weeks, wala pa siya school. Good girl, drinking water. Anak mo, so nakita mong kuwan lang. Pusod. Hello? How are you?
Yeah. And Mommy, Dad, and you with us.
Doing the best. You good?
Did you see that? Celine's teeth.
Got more glasses?
Come on, chocolate bit.
You have a taste. Give mommy a taste.
Did you like it?
I drink it. I drink it. You like it, Dad?
First time namin dito guys. So we'll see what they say about it. What can you say, Paris?
This is delicious.
Delicious?
Yeah.
Lainey, did you try yours?
Yeah.
And what can you say?
Drink.
Yummy?
Drink.
Is it yummy or what?
What?
Is it yummy or what? What?
Have some. A rating. I like to have ratings.
Good job.
Wow, thank you, baby. Oh, high five. Oh, high five. You like? Right. Go, Lainey. Paulan ata. Ayan, oh, wala siya ka rin araw. Medyo maginaw na rin siya. It's actually 1st of April today.
Yeah.
April Fool's Day.
Stop kicking it. I don't want to kick it.
Oh my god. Daddy, the summer is over.
Yeah.
What is it now?
Autumn.
Autumn? Well done, Daddy. Good job.
At the gate.
Whoa! Nearly.
That's so bad.
Good job, Lainey. It was a really good throw.
Go higher. Yeah.
Daddy will pass to Arthur. He'll get some try. He'll score a try. You ready?
Umuulan na.
Go, Lily. Run, run, run.
Alam niyo ba before, guys, sinasabi nga ng mga tao na, why don't you have another baby? Kasi you know, you have two girls, and you know, Daddy Mike might want another one, which is a boy. But yeah, Daddy Mike, guys, he's fine. Sabi niya, I can do things like this with a girl, you know, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Hindi ibig sabihin na na girl ay hindi niya na magagawa yung mga ganito, yung mag-football.
Again?
Go, Lini! Run, Lini! Actually, yung dalawa, si Daddy Mike at si Ate Paris, kasi Lini is still too little. Ayan, may ticket na sila, or actually nagpa-member sila ng Rugby, which is another kind of parang football din dito sa Australia, guys. Nagpa-member silang dalawa, and they have like 3 games in a year na pwede silang pumunta. Sila ang dalawa. Go in the middle, Ate! No, that's not goal. That's a point.
Yeah.
The goal is in the middle.
Oh no! Mommy, mommy!
Daddy scored it!
Go, well done, Lini. Did a great job, mate.
Coach Daddy's coming to the rescue! I get it.
Oh, Link, get the ball! Link, get the ball! Yay!
And Daddy scores the goal!
Right on this corner, so as soon as you walk down this corner away from the guards,
What you say?
we've got it on. Afterwards,
Why is your armpit so wide?
we ended up all coming to terms,
Like
so we stand on it, we all became great friends, and friendship still exists to this day. That's actually my partner in Hello Sunshine that I ran.
What are you trying to laugh? What are you laughing at?
He and his group of friends. There's a cool little story that I haven't told before, but basically it's a story about where we got shut down halfway through the night. So there was no footage to go to show through the heat up the thing. So what we decided to teach us a lesson that night. It was on one night on the Friday.
Mali pa naman ako nito sa... Tulog kasi yung dalawa, guys. So, ngayon lang kami magkaka-time na mag-work sa aming website. So, may ano si Daddy Mike sa akin na siya daw yung maglilinis dito sa bahay. Kasi sabi ko, maglilinis tayo ng bahay, maglilinis ng bahay. Sabi niya, siya daw yung gagawa dito at ako yung magpapatuloy sa website namin. So, ngayon, yung ginagawa lang namin is mag-upload ng mga products sa website. So, marami na sa inyo yung may alam na meron akong eBay store. So, mostly yung mga products na for sale right now ay nasa eBay. So, yung gagawin namin is parang ita-transfer lang namin yung mga products from eBay sa website namin. So, yeah, yun yung gagawin ni Mami ngayon. Yun yung sinasabi ni Daddy Mike na meron siyang plano for us since tulog na yung mga kids. Oh my God. So, alam niyo ba, nakaka-excite guys kasi tingnan niyo siya. Dumating na ang aming business cards. Ay, hindi ko muna i-share sa inyo yung mukha. But, yan, yung ating mga business cards, ganun. So, as mentioned before, tsaka ko na i-reveal yung website kapag ready to go na, you know, if ever meron sa inyo na dito sa Australia and gustong, you know, help us with our little business, bumili online, then you can start purchasing from our website. So, yes. Tsaka ko na ipapakita sa inyo. Ngayon, ano pa, work in progress pa eh. So, sinabi ko sa inyo before na si Daddy Mike talaga yung hands-on sa website namin. So, ngayon, sinasabi niya na siya yung maglinis ng bahay. Ako yung tatapos dito. Pinapakita lang niya sa akin kung paano gawin. Kasi, never akong naghawak sa website, guys. Ngayon lang. Si Daddy talaga lahat. So, ayun. Ipapakita lang ni Daddy Mike kung paano gawin. And then, I can keep going. Hey, Daddy. Alrighty. So then on our website, we can like confidently say, you know, like selling authentic products only.
This one?
The inside. In the back. They will be back.
Just pick one. It's one of these ones.
Wait, please go here. Oh, why isn't that showing everything? Oh, crazy. That one. Hey, hey, this one. Oh,
This one?
it's the back.
Yeah.
So there it is. What I'm gonna do? This one needs to be. Why do you have to put it on the thing if you can't you put it straight here?
You can. Get rid of,
Just spaces.
yeah, get rid of them lines.
So it's now 6 o'clock and nandito pa rin ako, guys. Actually, kakabalik ko lang kasi baby Celine woke up at gusto niyang mag-daddy. So ayun pa yung daddy ko. Naglalaro sila ng ate niya. And Daddy Mike is at the shops kasi ano siya, bibili siya ng something for tonight and bibili siya ng ano ba yung yung floor wipes para mapatuloy niya yung kanyang paglilinis. And ako, I'm doing really well with the website, guys. Pinakita ni Daddy Mike sa akin once and I'm a very quick learner. So, yan yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Still doing the website. I'm actually very, very excited, guys.
Song?
The family is out having coffee.
Listen to?
Yes.
You like when Daddy says, Daddy's gonna buy your baby shark there. Ready?
Yes.
Daddy's gonna buy you a baby shark.
Baby, share with mama.
Butterfly, and if the butterfly's got wings, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if the diamond ring shines bright,
Umiiyak siya galing sa bahay na dito ng suk. Ayan, yung tatay lang niya na kinantahan. Nawakan na, okay na siya. Ay, kaagad.
Daddy's gonna buy you a baby.
Anak ko, you have so much money. Is that 1,000 Korean won. So ito yung nakuha sa dati ng ako. Nandito kami ngayon sa supermarket.
We got this.
Got
this.
Oh, wow! Celine, straight away, pakita ka agad, We got this. Ay, palingling. We've got the, pang pahumot sa balay. I have died every day.
For you.
Darling, don't be afraid.
I love you.
For a love you for 1,000. Ay! Langga mama eh. Okay, so we're gonna get something like this. Kung nakasale, nakasale na.
Mom. Hi guys, we're gonna sing Carol with a friend and I'm gonna be singing by my own with my sister. Well, I'm gonna be loud. So I gotta hear Emo.
Okay.